Hello all, welcome to Collision. So in this artificial intelligence playlist, I've already covered a video on introductions to AI. So in that video, we have seen what exactly is AI. We have come across several applications of AI, and at last we distinguish between artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. So that's all part we have covered in lecture 1. If you haven't seen, just go and watch that video. Okay. So basically in this tutorial we are going to get started with AI by introducing some of the key terms that we are going to use throughout the whole course. Okay, so let's get started. So first thing is, what is an AI? We can say AI is basically agents and environment that are actually involved in the process of perceiving the whole environment. What? AI is basically an agents and environments that are actually involved in the process of perceiving the whole environment. Let's understand this. AI can be defined as a study of rational agents and its environment in simple language. To understand this, let's take an example of a self-driving car. So self-driving car. So it's a self-driving car. So basically there would be an AI agent. It will be perceiving the environment. Perceiving the environment or sensing the environment. Then according to the environment it's behaving. It's taking some action. So this AI can be defined as a study of rational agents and its environment. Perceiving, what is sensing the environment? See, AI agent is moving. Okay, so whatever is in front of the agent, it's just nothing but an environment. Traffic, lanes, anything. It's environment. And sensors are there for object detections, for speed visualization. So according to that, actions have been taken. Okay, so agents can sense the environment through sensors and act on their environment. I've already told you. So artificial intelligence can have mental properties like knowledge, belief, and intention, etc. So let's define the term. What is an agent? An agent can be anything that perceive environment through sensors. Most important. Agent can be anything that can perceive environment through sensors and act upon that environment through actuators. And act upon that environment through actuators. So what is an agent? An agent can be anything that can perceive environment through sensors and act upon that environment through actuators. See, I've already taken an example of a self-driving car. So let's only discuss that. Car is moving like a self-driving car, and that agent is here. It's perceiving the environment, traffic and all. Okay, with the help of a sensors. What are our sensors? Visual sensors, object identification sensors. Oh, okay. And according to the sensors, what it has perceived from the environment, it's reacting. Okay, and that reacting or an action that has been taken by the input sent by the sensors is done by the actuators. What are actuators? Actuators is nothing but a simple machine or a device that causes machine to move. What is an actuator? Actuator is nothing but a device that causes machine to move. To understand this, let's relate this with the help of a human agents. Our human body is an agent. Let's suppose our human body is an agent. I'm sensing the environment. What all this screen, this tablet, this notes, anything. This is my environment. Okay. So what all my sensors are there? my ears, my eyes, okay, my other sensors. These are all the sensors. According to that, I am able to write the informations what my sensors send to my brain. Okay, according to that, I am writing on it with the help of a hand. So that causes machine to move. What is a machine here? My hand. I am able to, and I am able to write here with the help of a hand. So this is a example of actuators. So simply, we don't have to relate it with the help of a human body, but to let you understand the concepts of agents, sensors, and environment and actuators, I've related with the human body. Okay, so let's relate it with self-driving. Okay, so here the car will be an agent. Okay, car is moving. How is it moving? How is it moving? With the help of an agent. So it will be sensing GPRS and traffic and observing the environment. So how is it observing? With the help of a sensors, object identification sensors, speed visualization sensors. So suddenly an object came near to the car. Okay, so agent has to take the actions, and sensors already perceives that object. So it will send that information to an what you say to an agent functions. Okay, and then according to that, actuators will behave. Actuators will either turn left or right, okay, or apply brakes. Simple. So that is the working of actuators. So I think with this example it's clear to you. Okay, so moving further, agents are of three types: human agents, robotic agents, and software agents. See, what are human agents? I am able to write here with the help of sensors. So what are my sensors? My sensors are sense organs: eyes, ears, other organs. I'm teaching you right now. So and writing it. Okay, so my vocal cord, I am also speaking, so I'm responding to you like through vocal cord. So this all hands, vocal cords are actuators, and eyes, ears, and other organs are my sense organs. Moving on to the next, our next agent is robotic agents. So robot is capturing, like, what is there with the help of a cameras. So cameras are its sensors, infrared range finders, all sensors. According to that, robots are working on. Okay, moving on to the software agents. Keystrokes are its sensors and actuators. According to that, it's working. So let's take an example of it. You have a desktop, okay, and you have to open a file. So what you will do? Just go to the file locations, just click to the file, open it, or you to go to the file location or just press enter, it will open. So you are giving input through keystrokes. So that's how keystrokes inputs are given. Okay, and when input is being given for opening the file, okay, CPU will work out and your all this will be processed. Okay, and the output will be displayed on your screen through actuators. So this is how robotic agents work. So we have come across sensors, actuators, and environment in the definition above. What is an agent? Okay, so let's discuss how we'll define the word sensors. So sensors, what is sensor? Sensor is nothing but just a device which detects the change in the environment and sends the information to the other electronic device. What? Sensor, it's just a device which detects the change in the environment and sends the information to the other electronic device. Okay, and agents observe the environment through sensors only. Okay, What is an actuator? Actuator is just a component or a device that converts energy into motions. I've already given you example of a brakes in a self-driving car or an accelerator, moving left to the right. So basically, moving and controlling of the system is known as actuators. So at last we have three definitions: percept, sequence, agent functions. I'll not tell you right now. Okay, before that I will explain you easy diagram. Okay, what all we have discussed right now. This is a AI agent, sensors, what agent functions he has to perform. Okay, and this is actuator, this is environment. Let's take an example of a car, and this is an object. Okay, so sensors percepts the environment. What is an environment? Traffic lanes, roads, vehicles, anything, it's an environment. Okay, percepts what? Objects. Percepts the object through sensors. Sensors are sensing through speed visualization and object detections, and then it's get the input, and then input is being transferred to the agent functions. And then agent functions sends to the actuators. And what are actuators? Actuators, machine or device. In this case it will be brakes and accelerator. It will take the actions according to the environment. Okay, so percepts, agent's perceptual input at a given instance. I think you got it from now. Like agent is percepting the environment with the help of a sensors. Okay, what is percept sequence? See, agents not only perceives the environment, but it also stores the history of it. Suppose you are moving on a road. Okay, AI agents is moving on a road. Okay, so at 50-meter left he has to take a turn. So okay, so next time when you're moving on the same road, okay, your AI agents will remember that after 50 meters, okay, he has to take a turn. That is history of everything agents has ever perceived. It will remember what all are the inputs your sensors has already perceived. According to it will react. Okay, what is an agent functions? Maps given percept sequence into an action. See here, sensors are sending inputs to the AI agents, agent functions. So it will take all the inputs from the sensors, okay, convert into a sequence, and then send that information to actuators. Suddenly an object came in front of the car. What all sequence he has to follow? Actuators. That is being transferred by the agent function. He has to apply the brake. That is the actions that being taken by the actuators. So I think with this I am able to make you clear what are agents, sensors, actuators, and environment. Okay, so in today's video we have discussed agents and environments. What is the sensors, what is the human agent, what is the robotic agent, what is the software agents, what are actuators. At last we discussed the three definitions: percept, sequence, agent functions. So that's all for the day. Thank you.